So this question looks like it may be a translate word problem question, just given the length of the question. Let's read it and see what we're being told here. So the question says the equation h equals 150 plus 10t gives the total number of housing units, h, so h is housing units, in a community t months after a new zoning law is passed. Okay, so t is time in terms of months. How many housing units are added to the community each month after the zoning law was passed? So first of all, we have h equals 150 plus 10t. Let's understand what this is. This is in the structure of y equals mx plus b. Yep, things are moved around to like y equals b plus mx, but it's still the same exact structure. So if we realize that and recognize that, we know that the term in front of the x is the slope. The slope has to do with your like rise over run or your change, and in this case, your change in h or housing over your change in t, time. And b represents the y-intercept, which basically in this case is, well, what happens when t is equal to 0? So before the zoning laws passed, I would assume this community had 150 housing units. And then after the zoning law was passed, it received an additional 10 housing units every single month, right? Per month. That's why we're multiplying that by t. So the question asks how many housing units are added to the community each month. That number would be 10. So choice A is the correct answer here.